Today, you will learn how to convert JPG to Word and edit text inside it easily. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device. Now, find your JPG image on your computer, select it, and click Insert. For better results, you can clean up the image before converting it. Right-click the image and choose Crop. Remove any unwanted areas so that only the text you need remains. When you're finished, click outside the image to save the crop. Next, click the Layout Options button and choose In Front of Text. This lets you move and resize the image easily. Drag the corners of the image and make it fit the width of the page. Now we need to save the image as a PDF. Click File, then Save As, and choose Browse. Select a location, enter a file name, make sure PDF is selected as the file type, and click Save. You can close this file now because we have the PDF version of this file. After that, open Word again and click Open. Select Browse and open the PDF file you just created. Word will show a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK. Wait a few seconds and Word will convert the image into editable text. You can now click inside the text, make changes, correct mistakes, and edit it just like a normal Word document. That's it! You have successfully converted a JPG image into an editable Word document. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.